what's up guys, it's Nick. Yeah, it's been a week into the challenge. It's been a little more complicated than what I thought. Honestly, there's a lot of challenge into that and didn't think it would go this way, but we did a lot. We used the vacation well and we used the first week to set up all accounts, as I said in the previous video. And God, this took so much time that I was not aware of. Just create the Facebook page, every account on Fiverr, Maker Word, Maker Online, name it, every account that you need to create a story, the bio and everything. And I did create a couple of models here and there in the first week, but for sure didn't meet the 5 to 7 models that I wanted to make per week. I did create more than 7 models, but I really used these with the vacation week to create more models that's gonna be used for the Patreon. So this model hasn't been published for free models because they're gonna be paid model. And those models took more time to do in Blender. We do the general shape with the Item 3D. With the version 2.0, it's just crazy. They were very quality models. And after that, I refined them in Blender and do little adjustment here and there. But yeah, we can take a look. I'm gonna just film my image, my screen to show you. But even with all that, even if we didn't publish all the 7 models, we did well. I'm gonna show you. I only published like 3 models on Maker Online. I did publish Onyx model, and I think articulated models are very popular, so I'm gonna try to focus on making little fidget toy or articulated models. And I don't know if I just discovered this week how to make flexi models. So if you're a little bit using Blender, it's just a Boolean operation and use a flexi cutter. You make a model and after that you cut all join, all the separation. But this is my first model. You can see it's pretty damn cool. Printed on the Cabrise one. And for now, I think that our most popular models was the Flexi Turtle, because I just published this one and applied into the weekly feature model and got published and got 163 downloads already. That's giving us 600 coin to be featured and plus the download point. So we're already at 976 points. It's close to $50 because 2,000 coins is $100. So that's not bad, honestly. Overall, with all test print and everything, I think we're probably close to a full roll of filament, and that has been passed here and there. Especially the Flexi Turtle just, I think, costs like $5 to print with all the poop and the test print and the... and honestly, I just tried to do Maker Lab. This one was my son that created it. On Maker Lab, Maker Word, sorry, didn't have as much download. But anyway, we don't have any followers yet, so we're still gonna publish. We need to make more. Even on Reality Cloud, only published like 2 models. Didn't have time to publish the other one. But with all that said, for the Patreon, I did. We already have 10 models ready. repair and supported for resin printing. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you an example. And there's a dragon. This one I think is my favorite, the cobble. So that's a pretty clean model. And one more, maybe the giant rat. So here's an example of what model we're gonna publish into our Patreon. I'm trying to do all the 20 models before the end of the month. We're in a good way. It's sure that the vacation did help a lot. There's still a lot to do. The Fiverr page is set up, but there was no order. I want to make a small publication on Facebook, on all D&D group and page. It says, hey guys, I'm just offering services that you can make your own character into life, something like that. And probably offer a giveaway or something like that to offer a free service for 1 or 2 people. This will definitely help me to try out if it's viable and how much time it will take and if people are satisfied or not. So that's probably the main plan for this week. Otherwise, I think I'm prepared for there's a contest incoming for the Chinese New Year. I'm gonna probably try to do a couple of designs on this year for 2026. This is the horse week, or horse years. So I got a couple of ideas. I will try to make a model that when you look at on one side, it's gonna be the Chinese symbol of the horse, and when you flip it, it's gonna be like a silhouette of an horse. So we'll see if it's doable. And that I'm gonna show you. I got this model to publish. I've made Nick from Zootopia and Gary the Snake. So really hope that this model gonna fire up the internet. Put a lot of work into the Nick one. I think I passed like 2 days last week just only for this model, so I hope it's gonna end up well. And Gary the Snake is pretty cool, which I've done on the Flexi thing also. So it's pretty flexible, and yeah, got this missing tooth. It's gonna be pretty cool. And we'll just use Gemini I ask him to add color onto this model. So the cover page is all ready, you just need to publish them. So I'll try in the second week to take back all the time that we have lost and publish probably a little more free models, and we'll see how it goes. So that's the recap for the first week. That's not much. Honestly, I didn't have much content to say because there was almost 2 days just to create accounts, and it was pretty boring to film. So at first I was recording everything, but it was just super long, so I don't think I will put that in the video, but let me know in the comment if you want to see something. I will probably publish a video in the next week or so on what I do in the morning, or how I create the model and all the process. But yeah, see how it goes. See you. Bye-bye.